Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to stream on TikTok using OBS. So I'm going to show you the setup of OBS in order to use it for live stream on TikTok. And so whenever you go and open TikTok app and then click on go live, whenever you go for it, you need to set up your title, your topic, and your thumbnail. And so whenever you get done with these for the live video settings, you hit go live and then you will be go to setup live page. And so you will have a server URL and then you will have also a stream key. So you need to copy them one by one. And then whenever you copy them, you want to go and open OBS app. And here I'm going to show you step by step the setup of the OBS app. And so the first step, whenever you open the OBS app, as you can see over here, and so you'll go here and click on profile and then choose the first option, which is new one, to create a new profile in order to save these settings for each and every time you go live on TikTok. For sure, this option isn't available for me because I'm using OBS now to record this video, but whenever you're going to use it without the recording, you'll be able to click on profile here to create a new one. And so whenever you get done with it, go and click on settings over here. And then here we will adjust these settings in order to use them for the TikTok live. And so we'll go and output over here and we'll go for this one and make it 2500 for TikTok live. And then for the audio bitrate, click on it and make it 160 as well. And then go to video and then go to the first one, which is base canvas resolution. Set it to 1080 to 1920 for the first one. And the second one, which is output scaled resolution, also make it on 1080 to 1920 in order to save your profile settings. And then click on apply down here in order to save these settings and go back. And now go to the source and click on the plus button over here and choose video capture device and click on it to add a new device, and you can make it any name and then click on OK. And now you can adjust this one and you can put it up to the left over here or you can take it down. This whenever you put the camera on yourself for the live stream. And also here you can adjust these settings for the screen and you can put your thumbnail or your channel icon down here or on the left side. So this is the best method that you can set up your settings in OBS to live stream on TikTok. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching.